Good morning, class. How are you all? Now, we were on the last topic of the second chapter of science. All of you take out your science book and we will continue it. Today we will finish this chapter. We have discussed about dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are the roughages. Roughages means the food component which just do not give any nutrition to our body, but they are just very important because they just digest our food. Okay, if you want you can underline this line: whole grains, pulses, potato, fresh fruits, vegetables are the main source of roughages. Roughages do not provide any nutrition in our body but is an essential component for the food and add to bulk, means they are present in large amount in the food, so they just help in get digestion of the food. Now we will discuss about if water can be a roughages. Yes, water is also a liquid source which help our body to get digest, and water have presence of other minerals also like calcium, iodine, ions, but it is also a digestive source. And water like tea, milk, because it contain water, they also come in such a source. Now, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet means, if in simple words I would like to explain you what is balanced diet. सारे अमाउंट कंपोनेंट्स को एक साथ कंबाइन करके जो हमें हमारे फूड में बैलेंस मिलता है उसे हम बैलेंस डाइट कहते हैं. नाउ लिसन मी, when a proper amount or proper source of amount nutritious components are present in a food is called as balanced diet. If food is normal, we eat our day in diet, and what balanced diet do? It helps into growth and maintenance of the good health. Our diet should be a nutrition means similar, मीन्स हमारी डाइट न्यूट्रिशन होनी चाहिए जिसमें हमें पूरा अमाउंट ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स मिले. अब व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स दैट कंटेन बैलेंस डाइट आर प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट and vitamins, minerals. Okay, so there are so many other foods that we uptake in our daily life and they are balanced diet. Like we just take roti, food grains, we just take sabji as vegetables, it contains other nutrition, and we just take curd because it have protein, so it contains, अगर ये सारी चीज़ें हमें एक साथ लें, it is a proper balanced diet. Okay, so many pulses also contain soya bean, they are such an amount which cause balanced diet. Now there are vitamins C which get easily by heating due to the cooking, means there are so many other minerals also which just get destroyed or they just diminished when they are cooked. So sometimes we should take raw food also, like cucumber, we just eat it raw and it is very good for our health and for our skin also. Now, deficiency diseases, when we do not take a proper amount of diet or proper amount of food, we just get deficient, it just get in our body so many diseases development. So you should take a proper amount of diet. That is why doctor consult, when we go to doctor for a disease checkup, they just tell us, don't you eat this, rice is not good for your health, this pulses are not good. They just allow us to eat a simple components, so which contains protein and minerals, nutritious compounds, and the large amount of roughages they just avoid. So balance. Deficiency diseases are those which we get when we do not have a proper amount of nutrition in our body. Like deficiency one or more nutrition can cause diseases or disorder in our body. Diseases that occurs due to lack of nutrition or nutrients over a long period of time is called deficiency diseases. ज़्यादा लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए हम अगर उन चीज़ों को छोड़ ही दें खाना तो हमें डिसीजेज हो सकती हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेज. एंड देर आर सो मैनी डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेज विच वी फेस विद due to lack of minerals. Like in your book there is a chart given, you all have to learn this chart. This chart is very important. If vitamin A deficiency we will face loss of विजन, मीन्स हमारी आँखों की देखने की रोशनी कम हो जाएगी अगर हमने विटामिन सी कम खाया. देन विटामिन डी वन, देन वी कैन कॉज बेरी एंड सो ऑन. So we should take a proper amount of every nutrition in our diet. And the chapter has been completed. If there is any doubt to any student, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.